departure.
Holy man, look at the smoke. Wow, the music has stopped. I'm not sure whether they get how many copyright claims. You know, it's immutable. You cannot avoid. But just walking my way back to the metro station and looking last look at the Merlion, as well as Marina Bay Sands and the crowd here. You know, they should have some more street lamps here. It's very dark, you know. It's very dark, so if you take photo at night, it's not really nice though. In the daytime, it's good, but at the night time, there's no light, so you have to use flash or something else. If you use flash, then it's hurting the eyes, right? So there's actually a dog there. It's black color, so not very obvious. It's weekend, so getting walking back, so crowded. So making my way back. But along the way, you can see the Singapore River and everything is so nice here. The restaurant. You know what's the thing? I'm a bit afraid when I'm going outside Dhoby Lock. There is raining. If it's rain, then it really affects lots of stuff. You need to bring umbrella and then extra pair of socks in case the shoes get wet and so on. And then second thing is too many crowd. Now it's still okay, but National Day parade and stuff during that time was insane, man. The crowd was like 3 times, 5 times the crowd you see now. Everyone was rushing to go back, and at least now has some space. Maybe because I waited for like 10 minutes before, after the fireworks ended. And then just leave some space between yourself and the person in front. Unless, otherwise they may have a chance of stepping your toe. If they wear high heel shoes, then that's it, man. So one tip is to stay at the extreme left or right, not stay in the center. Then your chance of being stepped is getting lower. Just a few more meters, I'm going to turn right. And I'm going to stairs to the Fullerton Hotel. There's a lot of boats there. I can take a look. Some bad news, they fence off the area. There's something I don't like after attending the event right here, you know. But that fireworks was really worth the time and the effort. So this is the only thing I don't like. Other than that, it's okay. This way leads to the Fullerton Hotel. On the left side, there are some nice mirrors.